boys and girls, it is Miss Oates back with another math review video. Today we're going to be talking about adding several two-digit numbers. Our I can statements for this video is I can break apart 3 or more numbers as a place value strategy for adding. I can also develop strategies for adding more than 2 numbers. I can also apply the cumulative and associative properties of addition. And our focus standard for this video is 2.NBT.6. Add up 4 two-digit numbers using strategies based on place value and properties of operations. Now, we've talked about adding numbers before, so for this particular video, I'm going to give you some different strategies that you can use to add two-digit numbers. Then we're going to have some practice problems that I want you to pause the video and work out using one of the strategies we talked about. Let's go ahead and get started. So our first strategy is to make a 10. So I have a problem 35 plus 15 plus 22 plus 48. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at these numbers and I'm going to decide what numbers in the ones place can I use to make a 10. Ooh, I spot one right away. Well, the 5 in 35 and the 5 ones in 15, I definitely can use to make a 10. So if I add 35 plus 15 together, I'm going to end up with 50. If I look at my other 2 remaining numbers, the 22 and 48, the 2 ones in 22 and the 8 ones in 48 also make a 10, which is going to be 70. So my next step would be to add 50 plus 70 together. What is 50 plus 70? It is 120. So this means that 35 plus 15 plus 22 plus 48 is going to equal 120. Another strategy that we can use to add 4 two-digit numbers together is to try to make hundreds. So I have 54 plus 35 plus 46 plus 13. Ooh, since I have been practicing my combinations of hundreds, I immediately recognize 54 and 46. When I add those 2 numbers together, I get a 100. So now the other step that I have to do is I have to add 35 and 13 together. That gives me 48. So now all I need to do is add 100 plus 48 together, which is going to be 148. So that means 54 plus 35 plus 46 plus 13 equals 148. Another strategy that I can use, boys and girls, is stacking it up. So I have 16 plus 14 plus 23 plus 42 written out horizontal. This time I want to remove the horizontal and I want to write them vertically, so straight up and down like a column. So 16 plus 14 plus 23 plus 42. I'm going to start by adding in my ones place. So I have 6, 4, 3, and 2 in the ones place. Well, I know with the make a 10 strategy that 6 plus 4 is going to give me a 10. That means all I need to do is add 3 plus 2, which is going to be a 5. So 10 plus 5 is going to be 15. But don't forget to carry that 110 up above the tens place. Now that I've added up my ones place, I'm going to add up my tens place. I know that 1 plus 1 plus 1 is going to be 3. 2 plus 4 is 6. So now all I need to do is add 3 plus 6, which will be 9. So that means 16 plus 14 plus 23 plus 42 equals 95. Another strategy that I like to use is to add 2, then 1. What this means, boys and girls, is I'm going to break apart this problem into 3 different sets of problems. So I have 63 plus 19 plus 24 plus 36. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add 63 and 19 together. When I add 63 plus 19, I get the answer 82. Don't forget to carry the 1 over to the tens place. I'm then going to add 24 plus 36, which is going to be 60. Again, 4 plus 6 equals a 10. Put the 1 up above the tens place. 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6. But I'm still not done yet. Now I'm going to add my 82 plus my 60 together. Stack them up. That means 82 plus 60 is going to equal 142. So that means 63 plus 19 plus 24 plus 36 equals 142. Our final strategy, boys and girls, is to write everything out in base 10 blocks. So I have 53 plus 19 plus 21. So instead of writing 53, I'm going to go ahead and take out my 5 rods and 3 ones. For 19, I'm going to take out my 1 rod and 9 ones pieces. And then for 21, I'm going to take out my 2 rods and 1 piece to represent 21. I'm going to take a look at everything and decide, do I have a way of making a 10? Well, I have 9 ones and 19. And if I add the 1 over from 21, that gives me a 10. Now, to figure out the answer to this question, all I need to do is count up. So I'm going to count up my 10s. I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And then I need to count my ones pieces. I'm not going to count these ones right here because I made a 10 out of these. So I have 91, 92, 93. Meaning our answer for 53 plus 19 plus 21 is going to be 93. Now, boys and girls, I want you to either take out a sheet of notebook paper or some sort of whiteboard. We're going to go ahead and practice some problems together. And I want you to use any of these strategies. So don't forget to pause the video, work out these problems, and then we're going to check our answers to make sure that you got an answer that is the same as mine. You can use whatever strategies is best for you. Let's go ahead and practice. I want you to figure out what would be the answer to 72 plus 18 plus 21 plus 45. Go ahead and pause the video now to work out your problem. All right, boys and girls, now that we've worked out our problem, let's go ahead and get our answer, which is going to be 137. Did you get 137? Awesome. Let's go ahead and move on and do our next one. We have 34 plus 62 plus 12. Again, I want you to go ahead and pause the video, and I want you to work out this problem using whatever strategy is best for you. Awesome, boys and girls. Are you ready to go over the answer? 34 plus 62 plus 12 is going to equal 108. Did you get the same answer as me? Awesome. Let's go ahead and do the next one. We have 23 plus 19 plus 89 plus 21. Again, using a sheet of notebook paper or whiteboard, I want you to work out these problems together using whatever strategy is best for you. All right, let's go over our answer. For 23 plus 19 plus 89 plus 21, the correct answer is 152. Did you get it correct? Fantastic. One more, boys and girls. 12 plus 15 plus 20 plus 80. Ooh, I see a way to make 100. Go ahead and answer this question using whatever strategy is comfortable for you. All right, let's go over our answer. 12 plus 15 plus 20 plus 80 is going to equal 127. Awesome job, boys and girls. Thank you so much for watching this video and practicing along with me. I will see you next time. Bye.